Hello, my dear students. How are you? I'm your Kajal ma'am, and I'm really missing you all. And I know, my dear students, you all are getting a lot of instructions from all the elders at home to stay safe, stay at home, wash your hands again and again. But, children, let me remind you all, this is really important for you all. And staying at home for these 21 days, it's very important, and it can change the future of India. And as we always say, we at Global Talent International School, we really care for our children, and the learning should never stop, right? So I'm here to tell you all to make your timetable and work on it, right? So help your mummy in the kitchen, help her out in her daily routine work, and help your daddy as well. And most importantly, staying at home, okay? And look around in your house and look at that bookshelf which you have not cleaned from so many months, right? So organize your books, involve yourself into some creative arts, do painting, you can dance, you can sing, you can play an instrument, and do a little bit of exercise as well. Stay fit, stay healthy, have healthy food. And students, all your teachers are working really hard, and they're making videos for you all, and those will be out in another couple of days, so you can watch them and you will be getting a little bit of home fun. So I want you all to post your home funs, and we'll be boasting about it. We'll put up on our Facebook and Insta. We'll be talking about your home funs. You will get a lot of appreciation. So what are you waiting for? Something new and something exciting coming your way. And till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and eat healthy food. All the best, students. We're really missing you and hope to see you soon at GTIS. Bye, students.